Hey, this is the first video in a series that's going to help you finish up your book trailer project. So the very first thing you need to do is select the Windows Explorer icon on the taskbar, and then you're going to find your name on the server. And in that area is where you're going to create a folder for this project. You have two options. You can right-click New Folder, or you can simply click the New Folder button on the top. Give your folder the name of the book that you are creating your book trailer for. And in this folder is where you will save all of the files that you will use for your project. This is very important because Windows Movie Maker uses the files. You can't copy and paste into Movie Maker. It has to have the actual file, and it's much better in the long run if you keep it all in one folder. So once you've created that folder, now we're going to create a Word document for your bibliography. So you're going to click on the Start button at the bottom left of your screen, and in the search bar, now you're going to type Word, and that's going to find the Word program. Now we can open this, and the very first thing you need to do is right-click under File, Save As, and again you're going to find that your name on the server, find the folder you created for the project, and give this file a name. So this is your bibliography, so you can just type bib in there for short. This is a working document. It's not anything that you'll be turning in, so you don't have to worry about changing the size or style of your font. This is just for you to use for your project. So don't spend time making this look pretty. After you've created your bibliography document, you're ready to start looking for your images. So we're going to go to Google Chrome, and we're going to start looking for images. Now what you're tempted to do is put in a keyword. This is not exactly what I'm looking for, so I'll need to change my keyword from maze. I need to be a little bit more specific to outdoor maze. And you're tempted to just use any of the images that you find in Google. However, we are going to be more specific with the pictures that we use. The images that we use have to be ones that we're allowed to use. Remember, just because an image or a video or an audio, song, or whatever is on the internet does not mean it's available for you to use. It just means it's available for you to look at. So you want to make sure you are choosing things that are available for you to use. So you're going to use search tools, usage rights, labeled for reuse. This is very important when you get out into high school, college, workplace. It's very important that you are only using images and video and audio that you are allowed to reuse. Just because it's on the internet does not mean you're allowed to reuse it. Now that we have narrowed our search to images we're allowed to reuse, I'm going to scroll through and see if I can find some that I like. I like this one, so I'm going to click on this image, and then I'm going to view the image. Notice this image is much larger than just the thumbnail. So I'm going to right click on this image, and instead of copy image, I need to save image as. I'm going to save this image in my location on the server in the folder that I've just created for this project, and I'm going to call it Outdoor Maze. Save, and it has downloaded my image. Now I need to go back to my Google search. I need to visit the page. I'm going to get this web address. I'm going to click once in the address bar and it gets the entire web address. I'm going to right click copy, come back to my bibliography, right click paste, and I'm going to use this web address to build my MLA citation. Now we already have covered building MLA citations and you already have access to that, so I'm not going to do that in this video, but this is the beginning information that I need to build that citation. I'm not going to worry about building it right now. I'll do that later. I'm going to put 2 spaces afterwards, and I'll keep looking for other images that I might need to help me with my video. And you will continue to do this until you get all of the images you need to help you build your video. Alright, I'll see you back here in a little bit for phase 2 of using Movie Maker to build your book trailer video.